Email marketing is still the most cost-effective medium of marketing and reaching out to prospects in a cost-effective way. Marketers have crowned this form of marketing as the one with the highest ROI. Attractive emails that have been crafted to precision have been able to catch the attention of the audiences straight away and have resulted in converting the potential prospects into customers and lifelong customers. To help you craft effective email campaigns, below I am sharing 7 tips that can boost the end results for your business. Read them carefully. Make it easier for your prospects to opt in. Don't bombard your prospects by asking for too much information from them. Keep the registration phase simple with just the name and email it as the requirements to get registered. Avoid using long registration forms and make the process a one-click step rather than multiple steps. Incentivize the registration process. You need to be good at this. If you are asking users to share their email and name with you, then what is that they will get as a gift in return for the favor? Mention the benefit clearly in the registration box. What is the exciting freebie they will get? Something valuable, an ebook, a discount coupon, or an off on the next purchase. Make it alluring as a magnet to draw people to register easily. Rethink on the position of the registration box, it matters. You need to think and carefully plan for the position of the registration box, as it does affect the conversion rates. You need to decide from amongst the various positions a box can be placed, which can be in the first scroll of the page, without scrolling the same as visible. In the top right sidebar. At the bottom of the blog post or article. In the footer section. The top section of the homepage. Give them an idea about your publishing schedule. Give clues to your subscribers about your newsletter and email or whatever kind of information material like an infographic or seasonal offer deals you will be publishing and on what durations like weekly, fortnightly, monthly or occasionally. Customize emails and add a personal touch. If you are employing the services of a third-party vendor to send emails, then make sure you pay attention to the emails sent. Customize the messages by making them feel personal. Make the users feel cared for. Guide them through each step. If they are subscribing to the monthly newsletters, then guide them with messages on successful registration and to check the confirmation email, and then ask them to respond to the email by clicking on the link. Craft an engaging email copy. You need to spice up your email copy to make sure your subscribers get glued to your business. Even if you need to share information, make it crisp, by using smart titles and headings, using short paragraphs instead of long and unformatted text that looks boring and encourages users to skip. Use of images that resonate to your message is also a great way to make the email copy engaging. Also, use alt text for images as many of the email services don't support visualization. Plan your email campaigns the mobile way. As per Email Monday, mobile email will account for 20 to 75% of email opens, depending on your target audience, product and email type. With a huge percentage of users accessing the emails directly on their smartphones, it is ideal to design email campaigns so that they are fully mobile responsive. Make sure you test them across different devices and ensure the layout is also engaging. Email marketing is a result-driven marketing strategy for businesses worldwide. Small business must also benefit from this and build their subscriber base employing the hacks discussed above. All the best for your next email campaign.